Owen Lubinda, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for being with me throughout this wonderful period. So I've been receiving different questions on TikTok, either if you can make money off TikTok or if you can make money off TikTok. If you can, then what are the qualifications of making money off TikTok? Shout out to Mr. Mundu, because he's been bugging me with this question, and I did a bit of investigation on the same matter. So can you make money off TikTok, or how can you make money on TikTok? First of all, the only way to make money on TikTok, or being partners with TikTok, or getting that TikTok creator fund, you're supposed to have 10,000 followers and 100,000 views. That's the qualification for TikTok. Then for us YouTubers, there's also a qualification where you're supposed to actually have 1,000 subscribers, then also have 4,000 hours of watch time. That's when you can actually start earning off YouTube, and that's if you get approved. So for YouTube, it also goes the same way with it. It's supposed to have 10,000 followers and have 100,000 views on your account, and that has to be done in 30 days. 30 days, which is 1 month. So the only way you can make money off TikTok is through that. Secondly, you can make money off sponsorships. What I mean by sponsorships, you can get sponsorship brands from Adidas, Nike, small brands as well, just for you to advertise the product on your page and everything. The same way we also do as YouTubers. Sometimes we get sponsors. Like this video is sponsored by BETWAY. You can use the sign up on BETWAY using the link below. After using the link below, sign up and you get the best odds that there are. You can easily cash out of BETWAY. It's not like these other betting sites where you have to take time for you to cash out. You can easily cash out immediately you win. It also gives you a chance to withdraw your funds midway your ticket. If you win 5 out of 7 games, it will give you a chance to withdraw the funds that are there. So that being said, then you also need to be 18 years older. Obviously you're supposed to be 18 years and above, that's the thing. Then for those, imagine, I'm sure you look at, let me say, these TikTokers who are having like 1 million subs or 1 million followers. How much do you think they get? Those people actually get 1,000 to 500,000 US dollars per month. That's 1 million followers. You're obviously supposed to be active on TikTok. So for those who are in Zambia, Africa, Kenya, shout out to Kenya, South Africa, you can make money, yes, especially South Africa. I recently saw that they signed an agreement or an agreement party with South Africa so that they can be earning as well. So you can earn money on TikTok in South Africa. In Zambia, unfortunately, you can't earn money in Zambia or TikTok because of a lot of things. Same way with YouTube. You can, but it's a procedure. But with TikTok in Zambia, you can't really earn money off TikTok. Only sponsorship. Second, the last thing, by the way, you need, whenever you start, let me say TikTok, this is just advice. Whenever you start TikTok, YouTube, any application which requires you to create, be yourself. Don't chase after the money, but just go there for creating. Don't look at the money and everything like that. No, go there for creating. That's the only thing. So that's how you can only make money off TikTok. Let me wrap it up. Through sponsorship and through the reaching the threshold of you qualifying to actually get money off TikTok, and that's by having 10,000 followers and having 100,000 views in 30 days on your page or profile. And secondly, or lastly, I guess even selling off accounts. You grow an account and you sell it off. That's the only way you can make money off TikTok. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you want to contribute, you can let me know in the comment section below. Like the video if you like it. Subscribe please, because we're now almost hitting 1,000 subs, and I promised you I'll be doing a giveaway. Then if you want to follow me on my socials, my WhatsApp line, Facebook, Instagram, first links or second links in the description. You will find my socials there. Thank you.